This video is mainly made for people that are trying to get their bot to basic without breaking it completely because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. And it's completely fine if you had to do this at last hour because probably most of you forgot that the B5 was gonna be stopped from getting support. So it's completely fine. I hope you enjoyed using B5. And now let's start with the video. Welcome to this beautiful and chaotic place the internet is. In this video, you'll learn most of the changes you need to do to transition from male to female. I'm sorry, you'll learn what you need to do to jump from B5 to B6. Let's go! First of all, what the fuck are breaking changes? They are changes that are considered completely code breaking to the point, well, your code shouldn't even work properly anymore. So for everyone who used if, like the before way, you can't choose if before anymore. If before was changed into if of. In 6.0.0, the database also changed from dbjs.db to i.db. The intents changed, so now your intents will be changed from example guild to guilds. The colors inside functions like color are now case sensitive. This means blurple will be changed to use blurple instead. The new parser supports for action rows and models was implemented in the V6. The function manager changed from bot-client.functionManager.create custom function to just bot-client.functionManager.create function. Some functions had their names changed in V6. Like examples will be add reactions to add client reactions, set bot username to set client name, get user banner to user banner, get custom status to user custom status, get user accent color to user banner color. Some functions got deprecated in the B6, and the list is API message, author avatar, author banner, and author accent color. The old way intents all was removed in 6.0.1. It was inefficient. It was like you don't need every intent, you just need to be less lazy. And another function was renamed, this one being is managed to become is role managed. The types in channels had an addition and some modifications in B6.0.3. Like now we have the forum type. News was changed to announcement. News thread was changed to announcement thread. DM was changed to DM in all caps. Not safe for work was also changed to not safe for work in all caps. And we also had another function rename in B6.0.3, which was default message notification to server default message notifications, which in 6.1.0 we had many breaking changes, like changing every function that includes a server in it is now renamed to a guild. Here's a list of all the changes in case you want to look at it. The way as to add events changed, and now it's similar to intents. Like we no longer use bot client on message. Now we have to add it to the client directly like this. The alias bot was removed from the default import, so now you're forced to use AI client. Don't worry, it's basically the same, so don't panic. The option to use yes and no inside functions is no longer a thing. Now the user must provide boolean values like true or false. And this should be every breaking change inside the versions coming from 5.5.5 up to the latest version, which will be 6.1.1 at this time, and soon the version 6.2.0. The list of the changes will be improving the source code to make every function as stable as they were in B4, use as optimized, and as new as B6. Adding new events such as automod ones, adding new functions for automod and forum post related functions, more consistent naming so we don't have to rename every function from server to guild. Again, no major breaking changes were announced to this point, but always make sure to double check the releases in the GitHub page. That was all. I'm Zachary, and I hope you go fuck yourself.
Hace rato me picó un mosquito, el culero me picó entre la pierna y el pit. No lo hizo en la cara porque el güey es cobarde. Si lo vuelvo a ver le voy a decir que se cuadre. Ya me hice la crucecita, pa' quitar la comezón. Pero es que no se me quita, ni con caladril o alcohol.